And good morning, Facebook. How are we this morning? Another bright and sunny day here in the SimplyDiag.net Community Hub in sunny Cheshire. It's not bright, it's not sunny. Oh look, all the lights are changing colours. How cool is that? So what are we up to today? Well, happy hump day for a start off. It's not bright, it's not sunny, but hey ho, that's the way the world goes. So what are we doing today? We've got a VIP visitor down in the community hub. Today we've got Jack from Top Done UK. He's coming over today. He's going to come and do some training, and really looking forward to it. We're going to have a look through the latest line of Top Done equipment and give him a bit of training on using the Top Done scope and stuff like that. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be really, really cool. So the news you're all waiting to hear. Thunderbird 5 there in the background. MOT'd yesterday. The team at Carcraft MOT'd it yesterday. Morning, Stephen. How are you, mate? How's your Carter? Yeah, so the team at Carcraft yesterday MOT'd the MOT Thunderbird 5 for us. She's all taxed and insured and everything. She's on the policy now. So she's going to get a service. Took her home last night. Took her out for a first run. Put some proper fuel in her. She's an absolute belter. What a resource that's going to be for our members down here at the hub. Perfect training vehicle. We've got networking, we've got diesel, we've got all sorts of stuff that we can do on that. It's really, really cool. So Pickler Tools, if you're watching, Steve, you're awesome. Thanks very much. So what else have we got on today? So we've got, if we turn my camera around, today we've got live training again, more live training from the DPF doctor himself, Darren Darling, up in Ashington, and we're doing the DPF assessment today. So how to assess a DPF, what's faulty, what's broken, what's causing the fault, and yeah, how to do it efficiently and get it right first time. Morning, Mike. How are you, mate? You all right? Awesome. We've got everything up and running, updated. Everything laid out for today. We've got a good day's work on today. Morning, John. How are you, mate? Yeah, so everything's updated, ready to rock and roll. So yeah, this morning, first job this morning, the Astra that was a non-runner is now a runner. We fixed it. So I've just got to box all that up, box this up this morning now, and then that'll be ready to go back to the owner. After that, we're still waiting for the other A3 outside, the white A3. We're waiting for some parts for that, and eventually, it looks like today, we might even get on this Audi today. Although I've got an ADAS job coming in sometime today. We've got a Passat, I think it is, that needs an ADAS calibration. Morning, Simon. Morning, Darren. Yeah, so we're going to be doing a bit of ADAS calibration using the Autocom ADAS rig today. So yeah, it's going to be good. But Thunderbird 5, yeah, she drives lovely. She does. So full service for her. The team at Carcraft are going to sort that out for us. Wouldn't trust anybody else with it in the local area. So and we might as well give the work to Carcraft because they are only next door. So yeah, that's about it really for today. So whatever you're doing today, have an awesome hump day. If it's your birthday today, happy birthday. If it was yesterday, happy birthday for yesterday. If it's tomorrow, happy birthday. Have an awesome day, whatever you're doing. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.